The first thing that we must remember when it comes to connection is the Creator, the creative power that is within each and every one of us. This is the most important part of this workshop. This is the foundation of what we need to tap into so that we can then manifest and create whatever it is that we desire and want in our lives. Because the thing is, everything we want, abundance, love, joy, peace, prosperity, it's already there. It is ours for the take. It's already flowing through us. But we need to remember that whatever we believe about ourselves, about other people, about life, these things are blocking the flow of this abundance. So if we can learn to remain connected, to stay connected with the Creator, with the God mind, the God power, the God presence, however you call it, source, divine, God, whatever you call it, it's within you. So the first step is to remember that. I am here to remind you that you are magnificent. You're a magnificent, powerful being. And you can just be a channel, a vehicle for this energy, for this power, for this higher power within you. On this course, I'm going to share with you how to be connected, remain connected, and really open yourself up to experience the flow that you deserve. That's your birthright.